My name is Dmitry Trubchanov. I'm a principal dancer with Colorado Ballet, and this is my 6th season with the company. The character of Dracula, to me, he's an old, lonely soul that's been cursed by the dark side, I guess, for eternity. And he has no friends. His love of his life is long, long gone, and he's just going through the centuries looking for a true love. This is not my first time, so it's going to be a little bit different, but first time when I did this role, I just did a lot of research about real Dracula, documentaries and articles, and of course I visited Bram Stoker's novel and watched the movie. And probably gonna do kind of the same this time around, and all of that helps. But in this kind of production, you know, Michael Pink's choreography is every step, every gesture, every movement kind of already speaks about its character and the mood on stage, so we'll just have to make it our own. Well, to me, he's neither. Definitely not a hero, because everyone is afraid of him. I guess people should love you to be a hero, right? And villain, well, he doesn't do what he does because he has a choice. It's that thirst for blood, it's his nature, it's his curse. So actually, I feel really sad for him, because he's trying to find his true love, and he sees his old gun love in Mina, and he tries to go for her, and he gets killed. And I really think it's sad, and everyone deserves love. Well, from last time I did, I remember I would come to the theater about an hour and a half before and go straight to the makeup room, and hair and makeup takes at least an hour. But we have a great makeup team up there who does the transformation. So yeah, I would say 60 minutes at least. This production, actually, it's so theatrical. It's a big show. It's kind of like a Hollywood movie on stage. And there's everything for everyone. There's love, there's horror, there's blood, there's pirates, there's booms, there's everything. And especially for people who still think about ballet just tutus and pink tights, they'll be amazed by seeing this show. So just come for the ride of your life.